Hi, I'm Sean with Fluke. Let's explore 10 key concerns for solar technicians and how to handle them. Safety. High voltages make safety crucial. Know your safety protocols and use the right PPE. System performance. Use IV curve tracers to detect inefficiencies and malfunctions. Electrical troubleshooting. Identify and fix issues in inverters, wiring, or connectors to maintain system output. Solar panel efficiency. Address factors like shading and soiling that affect panel efficiency through regular maintenance. Environmental conditions. Ensure installations can endure extreme weather like wind, hail, and temperature fluctuations. Code compliance. Stay updated on local, state, and national electrical codes to ensure compliance. System design and compatibility. Match panels, inverters, and batteries correctly and maintain balance in system components. Data analysis. Use PV analyzers and power quality analyzers to interpret system data and assess performance. Maintenance and repair. Perform regular maintenance, clean panels, and update system software. Customer service. Communicate technical details clearly, build reports from your maintenance, address concerns, and educate clients about their systems. For these tasks, solar technicians rely on specialized tools like Fluke multimeters, clamp meters, thermal cameras, IV curve tracers, and solar irradiance meters, which ensure safe and efficient operation of solar PV installations.